Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. I mean, what can I say? We have the reaction from where we needed it. As you know, we talked about a potentially completed ABC structure to the downside. Hey, there is a reaction. I'm not buying it yet. Okay, this is too weak still, but hey, we have a reaction to the fib support zone. Good reaction actually to the 50% retracement for a Sunday, but I don't buy it yet, not literally not buying, you know what I mean? I don't believe it fully yet that we've started the third wave up. It would be nice though for a change to see the market go up again, but I would want to see first of all, the market give me some further confirmations. How could it do that? Well, the First of all, for those of you who are new on the channel, feel free to watch one of the last videos because in those videos I covered the weekly time frame quite frequently, okay? This here is literally the 1 hour time frame, everything zoomed in. Good movements that we see here, yeah. And we see that the market started a 5-wave advance from the Friday low of last week. And this 5-wave advance took the market to the Thursday high to round about 43.8 cents, then a corrective pullback. So we have a 1-2 setup. And then from here, a third wave rally to the upside could literally be unfolding. And then there could be a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And that's basically what I need, a 5-wave move to the upside. All right. Now, what do we now need to see for further confirmation? So first of all, a break above the blue line again. So obviously we've broken below the lower boundary line of the trend channel. To avoid that, this is simply a retest of that trend line and then a rejection. I want to see a decisive break back above that level. This line is currently coming in around 43.1 cents. And then next, I want to see the market break above the Thursday high. So above, 43.8, 43.9 cents. And ideally, circle wave 3 would take the market to the 138% extension at 48.8 cents. To be very clear, for this to be a viable third wave, I want to see the market reach at least the 138% extension at 48.8 cents. That would be the first ideal target, yeah? And then obviously we can add support for this fourth wave and we can track the fifth wave to the upside. This is how it would happen. It is important now that we obviously hold above the Saturday low, which formed here at 41.2 cents. Now, is this already an indication for a proper upside reversal? Well, look, if we zoom out, you see how meaningless this move up is, okay? Again, we can adjust the chart. This looks great here, everything, but look, zoom out. And you see that this is really meaningless compared to all these, this downside move. Now, it is a start though. Now, I said before to really, let's say, believe that we are turning around and that this is more than simply a dead cat bounce. I want to see, surely, those conditions fulfilled that I just mentioned, that I spent the last minute talking about, but also I want to really see all those 5 waves. Now, this is already a 5-wave move, which happened in the last week. Throughout the last 7-8 days, okay? Yep, it is a 5-wave move. However, it is still tiny, really, really small. We haven't broken any significant swing high. Now, the first significant swing high to be broken is indeed the Thursday high from last week. So I want to see the market break above the 43.8 cent level next for further confirmation, all right? And then if all 5 waves are completed, circle wave 1 to circle wave 5, we can call that a wave 1. Larger degree, I will add support for wave 2, and then we can take it from there. There's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for further updates. There are many, many more updates that you can find here. In addition to that, today at 5 p.m. UTC, we've got our member live session, so feel free to join that. We typically cover around 30, 40 coins sometimes in the session, typically 1 to 1.5 hours every Sunday. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.